Ever wonder why your Ford F150's gear shift isn't working? Let's break down the common issues and fixes. One of the most common issues is a worn-out shift cable. Over time, this cable can stretch or even snap, preventing the gear shift from working properly. If you notice excessive play in the gear shifter or if it won't move at all, it's time to check that cable. Another culprit can be a faulty brake light switch. This switch sends a signal to allow the gear shift to move when you press the brake pedal. If the switch is broken, the gear shift might get stuck in park. A quick replacement can solve this issue. Also, take a look at the transmission solenoid. This little component controls the flow of transmission fluid, helping the gear shift move smoothly. If the solenoid is malfunctioning, your gear shift can become stiff or unresponsive. Replacing the solenoid can often resolve this problem. Lastly, don't forget to check the transmission fluid level. Low or dirty fluid can cause shifting problems by not providing enough lubrication to the transmission components. Topping up or changing the fluid might be all it takes to get things moving again. So, next time your Ford F150 gear shift acts up, remember these common issues and their simple solutions. With a bit of basic troubleshooting, you'll be back on the road in no time.